Okay, here we are on a job that it's kind of hard to see here, but we took off. We're cutting the metal edge here to adapt the gutter helmet system, which is not a problem if we do a fascia mount system here and drip edge extension. So we're able to do that. But the problem that we're having is this fascia board this gutter's real loose. So that being the case, we were able to just pry up some drip edge, and this raptor tail that's holding the fascia board and the fascia board is rotted right out. So we've got an issue with that, because everything that we're going to do here is going to be a problem if we don't address it. But you can see here's a piece of the wood. Right here's a piece of fascia board just coming right out. There's your wood. So this almost leaves us no choice but to take the overhang down and replace this fascia. So that's step number one. And then what that will do also will give us a little bit of an ability to actually help our drip edge effect here, and the gutter is going to have to come down. So in order to get to all that fascia board, this metal is pretty tough stuff. So we got to take and make sure that our cutter is cutting without, we're running out of blades basically. So we're going to come up with a figure here and get this thing straightened out. But what they did, what's been going on is for years, I guess maybe even before this metal roof was put on, water's been getting in behind this gutter, and that's why that's rotting out. But the overhang system itself is ready to fall off.